Green carpet cleaning phase 1. Dry debris removal. How important is the pre-vacuum? I should say how important is it to change the air filter in your filtration system in the home. Go ahead and go out in the garage and pull that bad boy out and see what it looks like. They need to be changed about every 90 days or else they just get caked with dirt. So you can just imagine all the dirt and dust and everything settling on the carpets, along with dander and flakes coming off the skin and off your clothes and off shoes and off feet and all that good stuff. So it does accumulate. Get that stuff out of the carpet. That's our job. Green carpet cleaning phase 2. In phase 2 we take our pre-spray and we apply it to the surface of the carpeting very well. Our cleaner that we're using is very eco-friendly and green. It is basically sodium carbonate, which is a cleaning grade baking soda. And then it also has some hydrogen peroxide added to it as well for sanitization and brightening carpet fibers. So it is a very safe, pet-friendly, kid-safe, children if you have in the house. It's absolutely perfectly green and eco-friendly. It isn't going to cause any respiratory issues with those sensitive with chemicals. The dog isn't going to be going nuts, having skin issues rolling around on the ground. It's going to be, and it's one of the absolute best Green carpet cleaning phase 3. In phase 3 we fire up our CRB or counter rotating brush. The brush is on there. They gently rotate on the carpets and uplift on the fibers, pulling out any matted hair or lint that might be there and throwing them into that canister that's attached to the back there. And it picks that up. It also takes that pre-spray solution that we put down everywhere, that eco-friendly stuff, and it scrubs that stuff into the carpet very well, and it loosens up any dirt or obliterates any residue or eliminates any odors that might be in the carpet. So it does a very good job. So if you're dealing with small children, spilled milk or anything like that, this definitely takes care of it. It's very wonderful for pet owners who have dogs or cats that shed hair inside the home. This will go through and it'll pick up all that matted hair out of the carpeting as well. So it's a very versatile machine and it does a very good job. Bye.